Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Samsung model and One UI version because menu labels change between releases. Once done, make sure the phone is charged above 20% and unlocked to avoid interruptions. Next, open Settings and use the search box to jump to motions and gestures. This speeds you past multiple menus. You do this to reach the exact toggle quickly and to ensure any dependent permissions or sensors are active before enabling the feature. Now, go into Motions and Gestures and find Palm Swipe to capture. Tap it to open the control. You toggle the feature on and accept any permissions requested so screenshots can be saved and system gestures won't conflict. Practice the motion by placing the edge of your hand vertically on one side of the screen and swiping across. You'll hear a shutter and see a flash when successful. If it fails, adjust hand angle and pressure until the sensor consistently detects the gesture. Finally, review your screenshot in Gallery or the Screenshots folder to confirm capture and use the Share or Edit controls immediately. Make sure you use the palm edge and swipe in a straight line across the screen without other fingers touching. This avoids sensor confusion. If screenshots still won't register, restart the phone and check for system updates. If that fails, toggle the gesture off and on or reset motion sensor settings to recalibrate. This single troubleshooting tip resolves most remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.